What's up?
Tell them what we did with Dylan today.
Kick him out.
Why?
Because
Jude's
I'm
here.
here, too,
right?
But there's also no work.
Get rid of Dylan because you can do the 10 times the work that Dylan can do. Yeah, we talk shit on Dylan when he's not here.
I would have loved to have seen how long this took him, to be honest with you.
To be honest, I think Jude did a very completely accurate statement.
All right, so Jude has volunteered me to clean this nasty throttle body.
Yeah.
That has never been serviced, in my opinion.
You get to
I don't like doing them when they're this old because the plastic motorization sometimes fails because you're trying to maintenance this. So I try to be careful when I do this, but it is what it is. So I'm going to use the old brake clean and rag method.
You do brake clean and rag? I do both brake clean, rag, and air compressor.
I just use brake clean and rag, and I'm just going to clean in this spot right here. You'll see how it's getting clean right there, right? You can see that side. And then we're going to do the same thing here. You have to be careful with a 10-year-old throttle body or even older. That's why I do not like cleaning them, especially if the customer cannot afford to replace it. So why would you want to touch it if the customer can't afford to replace it, because then it breaks and then they cry that they don't have the money to fix it, and then they'll want you to pay to fix it, which is not going to happen.
Where is it? Where's the old
I put it up front. So then you want to do the blade on both sides. See how shiny that is right now? And then while it's open, you want to do a better job cleaning the throttle body on the inside. Just use the shop towel and brake clean works the best. And I'll show you how nice this will look when we're done. Rachel, tell them what today is.
It's National Women's Day.
And-
Pay me extra money.
That's not what I said.
But that's what I'm gonna get.
That's what I'm gonna get. So Rachel wants to get her boyfriend something for his birthday. Do you guys have any
No,
ideas?
it's not his birthday. It's
What is
our
it?
4-year anniversary.
4-year anniversary isn't shit.
Rude.
So now you can see that the butterfly is clean, and then the mating surface is where it closes cleans. And then now you can take it and scrub it, spray it with brake clean just to get the remainder off. You can see that there's still some stuff in here. And that's it. Spray it like this. Just wash the remainder off. So I told her to get him a remote control wireless device, but she said no.
A butt plug. That's what he said. A butt plug.
And she said he would be upset about that. Nothing wrong with that.
I'm fucking done.
And then we said, well, you said, how about a remote control car?
That's not a bad idea.
Yeah, or
Since his broke.
Yeah, or a PS5.
No, a real.
What about a PS5?
You want him to ignore you more than he does now?
He doesn't. He gets right
How
off.
many hours a week does he play video games?
I don't know, but he gets right off if I ask him to.
How many hours a week does he play video games?
I don't know.
More than one?
Well, yeah.
Here we are.
You know how many hours a week I play video games?
Well, you're irrelevant. You're a workaholic.
Hey, I don't play video games either.
Good for you.
You're just. I don't even have anything to say about you.
So when I did play video games, it was Guitar Hero and Motocross and
Yeah,
Supercross.
so did I when
But
I was like 10.
That's my point. Now that
But
I'm,
some people do still, and he doesn't play it to that extent that some guys play it to, where they're like,
Yeah.
women are getting mad at them. Like if I ask him for help with something or I need him to get off of there, he gets right off immediately.
come meet Michael, the handsomest used car salesman in the world. Come here. I see you're a little stressed.
What do you want, Michael?
Brian, put my phone on hold. Put my phone on hold.
What do you want, Michael?
Anyway, that's the end of this video because it's getting chaotic here.
Please
Yo, this
hold.
is how chaotic it is.